If Jesus comes tonight, will you be ready? The altar is open if you want to come.
Shepherds gaze in wonder, while angel voices sing. This night of nights has come and brought the world the long-awaited King. The earth is filled with gladness, and yet the heavens weep. For heaven's eyes can see He was born to die for me. Jesus, baby Jesus, is that a tear in your eye? Jesus, baby Jesus, you must know that you were born to die. It must have broken God's heart for the future He could see. Yet He formed His hands and feet, knowing one day they'd be nailed to a tree. So all the world could know Him. A gift came from above. For God so loved the world that He gave His only Son. Jesus, baby Jesus, is that a tear in your eye? Jesus, baby Jesus, you must know that you were born to die. Jesus, thank you, Jesus, with a tear of love in your eye. Jesus, baby Jesus, you knew that you were born to die.
Appreciate everyone come out tonight. I think the kids did a good job. Give them a hand tonight.
get to sing her part, so if you all stay with us just a minute, she's going to sing for you.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what's fun Easter was. Oh, here's open sleigh. Hey!
I think we got some good young talent coming on there. Take us all over to Old Timers Place. Okay. We're going to do another song closing call for you.